What's up guys? It's Sunday morning and it's absolutely pouring, but I am heading to the Kokoda Track Memorial Walk, also known as the 1000 steps. Most people would stay home on a day like this, but not us. Let's see what it's like to hike 1000 steps in the rain. Let's go! Woo-hoo!
Okay, let's go.
It's raining and it's wet. Oh god, thanks. Not done this before, not outside. Going on hard anyway.
Alright, I'm just gonna put me shoes on. It's really hard to make a decision on what to wear, especially like shoes wise. So I've decided to take my work boots on. So hopefully this one will be waterproof enough for the hike. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, now I'm going on to Dandenong Mountain. Go to Dandenong Mountain. Ready? I'm ready. Okay. Cool. So, I don't know, what should I do? I'll probably get an umbrella just in case. Just in case it rains. Oh, I've got an umbrella. You got yourself? Yeah. You got yourself?
Got myself.
Beautiful. Do you want to take that back?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Ready?
Ready.
I love your umbrella.
Okay, so I'm gonna wrap the umbrella.
Look how much it's rain. Where like you put really hot down of water in there. That's a lot of water. You know what? It's so nice. Look at this water. That is how wet it is. The level of wetness. Alright, so yes, go on a hike on a rainy day. Come with me to go explore and conquer the 1000 steps. Oh, yum, yum, yum.
So nice. It's so quiet.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to run? Huh? Ready to run?
Oh. Running in the rain. It's nice. It's very nice. Oh, exciting, very exciting. It's gonna be nice. Explore the Dandenong Mountain. If you haven't explored 1000 step trail in the rain, I highly recommend you should be doing it. So if you have a small umbrella, it's better. Big umbrella wouldn't probably fit because there's a lot of trees here. Good luck. Oh, super fresh. Very nice. Smash it. This is the last waterfall. And the challenge. In charge. That's it. 1,000 ship is successfully done. Have some water, and then we'll just go by this other truck going down to the car park. Ah, beautiful. I don't know that you're taking videos.
Alright,
Are you taking videos?
I am.
How beautiful is this?
You're gonna get in there. You can go really far.
Oh, it's beautiful. Going up.
Go all the way up.
Nothing else, just a bottle. Don't be scared. I've never seen one so close.
Alright guys, we finally made it down, and look what we just saw, a wallaby. What a way to finish the 1000 steps. It's been raining the whole time, but honestly, it made the hike even better. Fresh air, beautiful nature, and wallaby at the end. Couldn't ask for more. Thanks for coming along with me on this little adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay grateful. For now, ciao. Bye bye. Woohoo!